Okay, Bango, I got my basketball here. See if I'm gonna make this.
You need some serious help, kid.
I ain't no kid. I am a genius.
I don't get people these days. Mr. Bird, you and me, one-on-one right now. We're playing some b-ball here.
Alright then, Bango, you're about to catch this work.
What work? Boy, you'll snap like a stick in 2 seconds when I'm around you.
You're the one that's done for.
You can't do nothing.
Yeah, you got proven wrong, Bango. Man, they should have put me on a 2 squad. I would have been a great player there.
That's not fair. You fell. You fell.
I didn't even lay a finger on you, bruh. I didn't even touch you. The referee didn't even blow his whistle, so that means I didn't foul.
Huh? Whoa, what's happening again?
Link, I will beat the absolute dog crap out of you right now.
Hey, Bango, your girl dumped you because she realized how trash you are. Now she's with me.
After all I've done for you, you go with him?
You're pretty trash, to be honest. Even your girls think that too, so. Now, would you excuse me? We got some business going to. Bird business.
I honestly don't know what happened.
Well, I'm gonna show you what's gonna happen.
No, not that stick.
Get back here, boy. I'm gonna beat you so good with this. Oh, my foot. Oh,
Ha! Let's see, get. Try and get me now, fatty.
well, I'm gonna show you who's a fatty. Oh.